Using one-component joint sealing compound, Nora floorings do not require extra joint sealing. However, Nora does offers one-component joint sealing compound for areas with special hygiene requirements. After fixing the flooring with adhesive, you must wait at least 24 hours before sealing the joints with the one-component joint sealing compound. Apply wax to an area at least 5 centimeters, 1.97 inches, wide around the seam. The wax must dry completely before milling, otherwise it will be impossible to properly remove the protruding parts later. Once the wax is dry, open the seam using a suitable joint milling machine or joint cutter and the Nora steel straight edge. Trim the ends, touching the wall using a joint cutter. The joint is now perfectly prepared for the one-component joint sealing compound. Apply the compound to the joint in an even movement. Caution: keep the smoothing spatula as flat as possible when smoothing the joint compound, otherwise hollow joints may occur, making the seam prone to dirt incidents later. Allow the joint sealing compound to harden for at least 12 hours. Do not walk on the surface during this time. Then simply peel off the excess material next to the joint by hand. And there it is, the perfect seam. A suitable adhesive tape can be used as an alternative to liquid wax when sealing noraplan and noracare joints. Apply a smooth paper tape to the left and right of the joint to prevent the joint sealing compound from sticking to the surface of the floor covering. Rub on the adhesive tape. Inject the joint sealing compound into the joints without any gaps until a small bulb forms over the seam. Use the smoothing spatula to immediately press the joint sealing compound into the joint and smooth it off. During this process, the excess joint sealing compound will overflow and be pressed down either side of the joint. Keep the spatula as flat as possible, otherwise hollow joints will occur. The adhesive tape can be removed immediately.